Many older people, they're excited, they're moving, they're starting a new life, they're retired, but then they get there and they have no friends. So some people good at that, some people bad at that. What kind of guidance do you give to people for helping to make new friends, Audley?
Well, first of all, isolation is a very big problem. And I once did an ebook called Just Keep Talking. And in the course of researching it, I learned that if you have 6 friends or more, you live 2.5 times longer. Wow. There's actually studies about that. 2.5 years longer, not 2.5 times, 2.5 years longer. So you actually put years on your life by having friends. It is something that you should focus on. But I think my favorite answer to this is, what kind of friends do you want? I very much believe in intergenerational friendships. Mm-hmm. And the way to do that and make those friends is mentoring and reverse mentoring. So if you have something to offer the teenagers in your new community, or like my 92-year-old father-in-law, he's a foster grandparent. And he works with kids in the 3rd grade, and he teaches them to read. So you could make friends of all ages. Go to the young mother that happens to be down the block and see if she needs any of your help. I guarantee you she does need your help. So one way to make friends is to help the next guy. And try to see if you can do that with people of different generations. Then there's reverse mentoring. What if you need help? One of the greatest ways to make friends is let somebody help you. You don't use the computer? Let's not hear that. Go and get mentored on how to use the computer. It'll probably be somebody who's much younger. In our meditation group, we have a meditation group run by a 92-year-old woman who's a teacher. She was a teacher. Her best friend is about 40, also a teacher. And after they met in a meditation group, they're writing a book together about education. So these are wonderful ways that you can bring help to others and ask help. For people your own age, exactly the same. Make sure that you offer your help and ask for their help, and soon you'll have friends.
What great advice. You know, it's easy to say, go join a group, get involved in your social things, but crossing generations, what a great idea. Thank you. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing, share it, tell your friends, tell your family, come to bottomlineinc.com.